Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and we're going to take a look today at Grady-White's 275 Freedom. It's a very popular model, been out for quite a few years. This particular one right here is powered with twin 200 Yamaha 4 strokes, super fuel efficient. These are the electronic control 200 horsepower Yamaha, so there's no cables as far as push-pull cables running these engines. It's drive-by-wire. Real easy to move the throttle on that one. You start at the back of the boat, you look at just the beefiness of a Grady-White. Look at this back door right back here. This is 2 inches thick probably, not a thin piece of plastic. You look at the hardware, the closing hardware on that. That's a nice big latch to close that door. And that's just Grady-White. Grady-White's overbuilt everywhere. I mean, you start back there looking at the back, and everywhere you look is just heavy-duty hardware. Go to the back of the boat, you've got a fish box or a cooler right here. And then on the port side, you've got a live well. Blue on the interior, keeps your fish calm. Nice rounded on the corners in there as well too. So this is a great fishing boat. It's got everything for fishing, but it's a fantastic family boat too. So you've got this nice big lounge seat back in the back. But if you want more fishing room, just lift it up and look how easy it stows away. There's no legs to put away. And putting it back out is just as easy. Watch how fast it folds out. That's quick. And something else about this seat, there's no big hard metal edges. If you look at a lot of our competitors out there, there's big pieces of hard metal here with hard corners on it, and they're real shin busters. So that's something to keep an eye out for. Moving forward, you've got this nice wide electrically operated seat right here. The base of this seat comes out to right about here, and it'll connect with this seat, so you've got an L-shaped seating right there. On the starboard side of the boat, you've got a little wet bar, freshwater sink, storage. Can be tackle storage or just for maybe safety gear. Over on this side, designated area for your trash can. Look at the beautiful captain's chair on this boat. Your armrests fold down, make it easy access. You can stand behind the helm very comfortably, tilt steering wheel up and down. So if you want to stand, you got plenty of room to stand, but we can put that down and look at the ergonomics on this. My feet fit perfectly on this. I've got a great line of sight, looking right at my compass, which is dead center of me, and then right through the windshield. I don't have the windshield frame in my way. And look at that beautifully polished stainless steel windshield on there. Nice big area here on the dash. You can fit a 15-inch GPS screen on here. And then over on this side, you've got the remote for your stereo. You don't have a bunch of the inexpensive analog Yamaha gauges on here. You've got the nice one big gauge here that tells all of your information from fuel efficiency to your engine voltage to the engine temperature. It's all located right there in that one gauge. Going to this side right here, big storage area, and this is your cockpit table is stored down in there as well. Here's a neat little place. Here's a place to plug in your iPad or your iPhone right here, and then there's a little spot for that to slide in back there too. Here's your stereo on this side, and that's a Fusion stereo. That's a marine stereo. And then down below, a real marine head that's got a macerator with overboard discharge, or you can pump it out at the marina dockside if you'd like to. Got a little door right here that's going to block off the wind for you, so on those cold days, you can shut that, you can shut this, and you stop the wind from coming back on you. In the bow area, nice deep bow. Plenty of drink holders, always important on a family cruiser. There, and then this boat is also equipped with the electric anchor windlass. Pop-up cleats. Again, that's nice for fishing off the front. This is the Grady-White 275 Freedom. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and I'm Grant. Give me a call.